Hello everybody. Okay, today I show you another different vegetable. Probably some of you see is similar to something in your yard, but this one is kind of little different. You see it? Does look like a dollar wheat is right? But this one is different. This one you can eat it. You can eat it raw, but you have to wash it just carefully. In it raw or make a smoothie. And another thing you can do a cook soup, the everyday soup, not the special soup. It's just everyday soup. It's very good in the summer. It's very good for your health. It's make your body temperature is down, not down. That's good. Let's see. It's look like a dollar wheat, but this one thinner. You see, it's not as greenish like dollar wheat. It's a kind of green, but the light green. You can cook with the soup, like cook with the dry shrimp, or cook with the raw pork. That's a cook soup, very good. And here we come up another. Look at this one. Just pick the leaf, leave the rest, and you can make the smoothie. It's very good. It's expensive too. I saw in the store they sell $7 for a pound, or $9, $10 for a pound, somewhere like between $7 to $10 for a pound. But this vegetable you cannot keep in the fridge too often, from in the refrigerator too long, because it will damage the leaf. So yep, that's this is another different natural vegetable. I have never seen any seed. If you want to grow it, just pick one branch like this. They have a root here, just stuck in the ground, and they will grow and expand more. And then yeah, that's good. You see, it's thick. You need a young one. Let me show you in the bottom. But it's different the dollar wheat in your in the garage, because this one have the branch a change. I think the change is more accurate. And they pop out another one to go another way. Look at this one. It's a tick now. I need to cut it, harvest. Okay, when I harvest them, I will show you. Yep, that is Asian dollar wheat. Oh. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video.